So I'm excited to do something different today. I'm sharing with you my recipe for my fantastic morning drink. This is the way that I start the day, and I've put this together over a couple of months of trial and error, of trying different things, and come up with a recipe that I love, that I feel like is worth sharing. Don't forget to stick around till the end of the video because I have a new little secret experiment that I'm trying that you might be interested in, okay? Let me just say that this recipe, the reason I recommend it so much is because of how I feel when I drink it. I can actually feel like a brightness from inside. It's like opening up the doors and the windows and the shutters and sunlight shining through. It feels that good. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm talking about it. That's why I'm sharing it with you. It's very important to hydrate first thing in the day. So drinking water, that's good. Then what we do, and I'll show you this as I go, but what we do is we want to add apple cider vinegar to it. For me, it's a teaspoon. I used to be very advanced and do a tablespoon, but I found that it upset my stomach. So too much can definitely upset your stomach. So dial in your dose. So I get a teaspoon of this. Blah, 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 blah. Apple cider vinegar is one of the most proven substances for sort of fat loss. The thing that's great about it has acetic acid, and what it does is it blunts your blood sugar. I've definitely tested this, and if you have this first thing in the morning, it definitely lowers your blood sugar, which lowers the amount of insulin in your system, which is the fat storage hormone. So, drinking this causes you to be in more of a fat burning mode. And I've definitely seen the impact on my blood sugar. And make sure whatever you get it with the mother. I don't know if you can read that. It says the mother on it, right? And that has some probiotic effects on it, right, which makes it healthier. The other thing the acid in apple cider vinegar does is it sort of starts to prime your digestion. So it starts to wake your digestion up. And the things that I do later, I drink electrolytes and do those things, and I can absorb that stuff more easily, right? So it's very good to do that in the beginning. Let me pause for a moment just to say that if you don't know me and what I'm all about success through higher consciousness. I believe in putting higher consciousness first, right? But then trying to go out and achieve your dreams and do your goals is a great way to sort of build your spiritual strength. So I'm not a big believer in you just sit on the mat for the rest of your life and you just try to be spiritual. Be in the world and do things and use all of that for your spiritual growth. If you're interested in booking a coaching session with me, there's a free one-on-one consultation in the link below. And then I also have a community called Unblock Your Brilliance, where we discuss all of these things about how to remove the blocks from your life and express your full potential. The next thing I add, the juice of half a lemon, right? So you get in there and you squeeze that sucker all the way. And the lemon was my sort of newest and greatest addition to this recipe that made it all work because it turned it in to like this healthy lemonade. Plus, the apple cider vinegar, the lemon, it helps me hydrate better. It sort of allows more water into the cells, so it's kind of super hydrating, which is also great. And then the lemon adds a whole lot of great flavor to it. And those flavors pair really well together because if I'm going to do something in my life, I want it to taste good. The next thing I do is I add a little bit of this BAJA Gold sea salt, which has so many trace minerals. I'll put a link down below. It's great stuff. It's something that has an incredible amount of flavor and it has an incredible amount of minerals. So I really like it. I use it. I feel comfortable recommending it to you to at least give it a shot and see if you like it. It tastes pretty fantastic. The next thing in this recipe is allulose. And I'm not sure if you've heard of allulose yet. If you have, great. If you haven't, it's a sort of newer sugar. For a lot of years, I used stevia, especially vanilla stevia from Whole Foods, which is great. It really helps me in the mornings to put in drinks and things to sort of lengthen my fast. This allulose is great. It has a lot of great properties. In terms of like helping with fat loss and things, people think this is the most metabolically healthy sugar there is. And what it is, it's called a rare sugar, and it's actually extracted from things like dates and figs. And if you don't know about dates, dates are a really great low glycemic sugar hit. Like, so if you can limit yourself to 3 or 4 dates, you can have these really sweet dates. What I like to do is I like to chop them up and put them on a salad. and they're just a nice little pop. And I can just do 2 or 3, and if you freak out and eat the whole package, you're going to have some effects. It's a very mild sugar, right? So I have to use quite a bit of it in order to get the benefits. So I then take 2 heaping teaspoons, right, of this stuff, and I mix it together. And it just creates this very lovely, very drinkable, like it's not a chore to drink it. Like when I drink apple cider vinegar and water by itself, it's a little bit of like, I've got to choke this down. But this goes down pretty easy, I gotta say. Yeah, it's delicious. It's a delicious beverage. And it actually supports your metabolic health. It lowers your blood sugar, and it tastes good. It hydrates you. It gives you all your trace minerals first thing. So it's a really great way to start the day. So I really recommend that you at least give it a shot. I'll pause here just to say that if you've gotten this far in the video, I'd love for you to like and subscribe. It really makes a difference for the channel in terms of getting it out there. And if you put the little bell icon on, then you get notified every time I make a new video. And I'm making about a video a day. So I'm trying a bunch of new things just to see what really helps people. We know we want to start our day with a spiritual regimen, right? That's the first thing to tackle. We want to tackle spirit first, then body. Once your spirit is satiated, once you are connected, then you really want to start to deal with your body. And you've got the 2 sort of roads in terms of dealing with your body. One is the exercise and the other is the eating. And in terms of reintroducing eating, right, you're breaking the fast. This is the healthiest way that I've found so far. So, I don't recommend that you just take anything I say and just do it and take my word for it. I want you to check it out and I want you to try it on. And I want you to see if it works for you. It might just work for you. It's a really great kind of regimen. It's a great way to start the day. And I'll share other tips and tricks that I do, including my new one. Oh, so I told you I would tell you my sort of the secret little thing that I'm experimenting with now. So I finished that guy off, and then I fill it with just regular water, maybe put an ice cube or 2, and then I put hydrogen tabs in it. So this is my sort of crazy scientist experimenting with things. There's a lot of claims that it sort of purifies the system, right? So I'm just checking it out. This is something if you want to play with it. I got the Dr. Mercola brand because he's somebody who I listened to for a long time and trust. And so it's just a tab. You drink it in water. It fizzles, and it bubbles. And you drink it, and it releases extra hydrogen into the system. So I don't have more, because I'm just experimenting with it, I don't have more of the science on it. But anyway, so that's what I drink second these days. I will say, with the lemonade, for sure, I experience a very heightened sense of energy and sort of clarity and purity that comes from drinking it. Like it's a visceral feeling. It's not this like, oh, maybe I'm feeling something. I definitely feel lighter and brighter when I drink this. So I recommend this. I feel some of the same things with this, but it's too early to tell. I'll make another video if I feel like there's something really there for you to check out. Okay, I hope this helps. Cheers.